Most people lose money trading options. Watch this video and find out why, and make sure you aren't one of them. First of all, most people buy options. You can buy options or you can sell options. When you buy options, you are literally a gambler. You are paying money to directionally bet whether your stock is going to go up or down and the time frame that it's going to do that. Most options expire worthless, like over 90% of them. So why would you buy an option? Why wouldn't you sell an option? Here's what happens when you sell an option. When you sell a put, you are committing to buy a stock that you like anyway, but only if it drops in price below a price that you choose before a certain date that you also choose. You're paid that money and you keep that no matter what. So worst case scenario, you buy a good stock on sale. When you sell a covered call, you're committing to sell your shares if it goes higher than a certain price. Shares that you already own. You keep that money no matter what. Don't be a sucker. Don't buy options. Sell options. Be like the insurance company or like the casino house. Here's another reason how people lose money. They use hope as a strategy. Listen, people, hope is not a strategy. I hate to break it to you. If you're trading any ticker, you should be modeling what happens if that stock drops by, let's say, 50%. Do you have enough money? What will you do? Will you buy more shares or will you freak out and sell your shares and take a realized loss? You need to think about that ahead of time, not when it's happening. Here's another reason why people lose money. They trade way too big for their portfolio. People send me messages literally all the time. I sold 10 contracts on Netflix and I have $20,000 in my account. Bro, why are you selling 10 contracts? You don't have enough money for that. Or here's another one. I just bought 2,500 shares of NVIDIA and I spent my whole retirement account. Bro, why would you do that? What if the stock goes down? Why don't you buy some shares and then some shares after it drops? Because listen, stocks go up, and here's a newsflash for you, they also go down. Just trade one contract. Start with one. Sell a put on a good quality stock that you like anyway, and you'd be okay buying if it went down. If it doesn't go down, you don't buy the stock, but either way, you keep the cash. These are not hard strategies. If this is helpful, like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I'm literally putting up a video every single day trying to help people be successful and make money in their trading. Cheers for now.